Hello. Hello. I'm going to talk to you about something we have cooked this week. We have integrated Uxopian AI with Alfresco, and we started with Alfresco Share. So what is Uxopian AI? Very quickly, for those who don't know, it's an AI shipping layer. So it's a software that allows you to quickly integrate AI-based content in your applications. And it's particularly efficient to integrate it through ARender, since ARender already has connectors to Alfresco. So in a nutshell, with Uxopian AI, you can quickly edit your prompts, configure them to use the model you want. You are abstracted from dependence on a specific AI provider. And everything is thought to help you accelerate how you are successful with your AI projects, and much more. So here, I am on Alfresco Share instance, but the same can work with Alfresco Digital Workspace. And it's an instance where ARender, the content viewer made by Uxopian software, is integrated. And so as it's integrated here, in addition to a usual ARender list of actions, you have a little bot here, and that's what you can use. For example, if you want to summarize the document you are on here, you'll get a quick summary. If you want to, translate it in French, for example, to have a quick translation, there you go. So this little bot here is called Uxopia, and the actions that you see here are just example actions. You can actually very quickly configure new actions that will call specific prompts. So if you want to extract, let's say, the dates of the contract, or the parts, or the termination conditions, such things, you can easily and quickly automate all of this here. And next time we'll do a demo, we'll show that also it's very easy to add actions on the right, so that even actions are integrated to Alfresco UI more specifically. Also, if you just want to open and ask a question, for example, who are the parts of this contract, then you get the answer here that is integrated with Alfresco just out of the box. But there is much more than this, because this is the front scene, but then behind the scene, like we said, this integration is leveraging Uxopian AI, which means that you have a comfortable interface to manage your prompts. So here, let's say that I was talking about termination conditions. So here I have the prompt for extracting termination conditions. The way it works is simply that it relies on a service that has access to the content, here leveraging the render Alfresco connector. And so you can quickly do whatever you want. You can also include prompts in prompts, so that you can have, let's say, some behavioral instructions that you want in all of your prompts. That's easy. There is even a system prompt to make sure that it is included in any interaction. And you have a little editor here to complete with the type of methods that are available, because yes, there are plenty of helpers when it comes to do OCR with AI and extracting the image of the page of a document, or many other options that are very handy. Also, you have the settings for the prompt, so that allows you to select the models you want. You know, it's behind the scene, it's compatible with most major AI providers. So here we have configured OpenAI and Gemini. So if I select Gemini, then I can select some of the models provided by Gemini. I know there is a bunch more here on the OpenAI side. And it's also compatible here. We've done a little integration with NewMind AI models. NewMind AI is a startup in France that does a model very strong on extraction at low cost. And so you can configure this on their platform and then use some of the specific configurations you've done here. So basically, it means that for each of your prompts, you have the ability to tune which model you want for performance and also obviously for cost reasons. And then you can also decide to enable or not the reasoning when the model is made as such. You can configure the time the action saves you. And this is useful because if you go on the statistics screen, there you can have traceability of accounts of all the requests you've done, the number of tokens that it consumed, the time saved by your teams, and much more actually. And finally, each of the uses of your AI are tracked. So it means that each conversation is there, and each calls with the details on the cost of the call and all of that. So it means that you can be confident to have access to history, to be able to study, and so then studying, understanding the answers, it's possible to improve. Of course, it's always possible to remove some specific information from that history. The idea is really to provide you with the tools so that the integrations you are going to do within Alfresco Share are under control, and that you have the right data to converge for a successful project. So I think in January we'll show a version integrated with Digital Workspace, and don't hesitate to contact us if you want more information on Uxopian AI. Thank you.